Today's video from Sam4S Help, we're going to give you a brief guide on how to use the Sam4S ER180U register. So the machine I'm using in this video has been pre-programmed. It's set to work in receipt mode and I'm connected to the mains. So the first thing to do is to get into the register mode. All cash registers, however expensive they are, will have different modes of operation. So on this machine you have off mode, which is what it's currently in. You have reg mode, and I'll show you the other modes later. Reg mode is the most important mode because that's where you register your sales. So there's a number of different ways to get into the reg mode. You can either press free followed by mode, and that'll take you to reg mode, or if you repeatedly press the mode button here, it'll toggle between the different modes until you get to reg. Now we're now in reg mode, but it's saying closed on the register, which means basically nothing works. Whatever button we press, we can't put a sale through. So the next step is to log in. When you go to reg mode, it may not say closed, it may say 0.00, in which case you can start using it straight away. If it does say closed, 1 and then the Clark button here will log in an operator and enable you to use the register. So when you've got 0.00 on the display, you know you're in a good position. So on the till, you've basically got 3 banks of buttons. The most important ones are actually the number keypad and your departments here, along with your payment buttons on the right. So to ring through a standard sale through the department buttons, you type in the price and then apply it to one of the department buttons. So 199 into department 1, 199 into department 2. Sales operation will vary slightly depending on how you've got the machine programmed, so you can have the buttons preset. So this button up here has got a preset price of £1, so you simply press it and it comes up with the price as standard. I'll show you more detailed sales shortly, but let's imagine that's our first sale complete. You press the subtotal button, £4.98, and then the customer will either pay by cash or card. So if they're paying by cash, you enter the monies tendered on the 0 to 9 keypad, again without pressing decimal point. A lot of the calls we get are to do with error messages that come from people entering the decimal point, because logically you might think you need to press it, but the till will input that automatically for you. Once you've typed in your monies, you hit the cash button. The cash drawer fires, enabling you to dispense the change. If you've got the receipt automatically switched on, it will print out. If not, you can issue a receipt on request by pressing the cash button. The receipt prints out, so it'll have your programmed receipt header message on there. The items sold, so our items were goods. The goods department £1.99, service £1.99, and then the lottery department £1. If you've got tax programmed, it will show the tax split. To put the receipt on all the time, it's receipt on off in the reg mode. So let's just run through that sales operation again. If your departments have been pre-programmed, you simply press the button. You can repeat it for multiple items, or if they've ordered a lot of a particular item, you can type in the quantity, hit the multiply button, and then hit your department key. For open items, price, department, and then subtotal. And then if they're paying by card on this occasion, obviously a card payment would always be the exact amount of money, so you don't need to type in the monies. When the payment's gone through the machine, you hit the charge button, cash drawer fires, enabling you to put any receipt from the card machine into the till drawer. And again, because we've got the receipt automatically switched on, we get a receipt print out. The only difference, it says charge on there. So when you do your end of day report, you'll get one total for cash and draw and one total for your card payments. On the machine, you may have programmed PLUs, so the machine's got a memory of up to 500 PLUs. So you can, in the reg mode, to sell PLU number 1 PLU. Because it's been pre-programmed, it comes up with a price. If it's an unprogrammed or unpriced PLU, it's 5 PLU for number 5, and then you'll be prompted to enter the price. So you can type in the price, confirm it by pressing PLU, and then it's sold that individual PLU at that price. Catch that sale off. So they're the basic sales operations. I'll have more detailed videos showing you how to do your end of day reports, how to do refunds, and then also how to discount sales and other non-standard operations. But hopefully that video will point you in the right direction for the basic operation of the ER180U. Yeah, I'll put up the other videos on screen now, so feel free to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit sam4shelp.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.